Hi, I'm Girish Menon, and this is a series of videos in which we discuss the advantages of developing a daily practice in photography, even if it's with your smartphone, and how that can help you to become a better wildlife photographer. A mobile phone has little to no hardware that can influence a picture in a manner in which a camera can. But it's a camera that we have with us in our pockets at all times. So let's discover ways in which we can use this as a tool to become better photographers. Clicking pictures through the day, and at the end of the day, taking a step back and looking at all the pictures, trying to understand why we clicked those pictures. What is it about what attracted us towards that scene, that photograph? Why did we want to have that picture? What do we want to communicate through that picture, and is that picture communicating what we want it to say, or is there a disconnect? And if there is a disconnect, how do we bridge that disconnect? We can learn all this by developing a simple daily practice in photography. Good pictures are able to establish an emotional connect with people who see them, even if they are of non living subjects. Observe and understand the feelings that attract you to click the pictures that you click. The main thing that I want to help you with through this series of videos is to start thinking about the emotions that you evoke in people who look at your pictures. And how can you do that better? I clicked all the pictures in this series of videos through mobile phones. Let's try and understand what attracted me towards these pictures. What what did I wish these pictures to say, and whether that message is coming through. I clicked this picture on an evening walk along with a friend of mine who was visiting from a neighboring city. The yellow really jumped out at me. That's why I wanted to click the picture. And the combination of the yellow and the black and the gray just looked fabulous. But at that point in time, I didn't notice that there were little leaves, dried leaves fallen on the pavement, which were also yellow in color, similar to the color of the plastic sheet over the cart. If you don't know what this is, these are little hand carts on which people stock fruits and vegetables and go around selling them from road to road. There'll come a point in time where we won't have people selling fruits and vegetables on cart like this, and at that point in time, this will become an important historical record of how things were once upon a time. Post your pictures on Insta or Facebook and tag me at the Open Image, and I'll be happy to guide you further. If you found this information useful, please consider making a contribution. Your contributions will help me to keep this channel going and to provide free information that will help you to click better pictures. Thank you in advance for your generosity.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my love.